Today at our Mrd Industry Day with the topic Research from University to Industry, we welcome about 60 representatives from academia, from startups and from industry.
In the Materials Research Department, researchers from various disciplines like, for example, physics, chemistry or engineering are investigating novel materials with untapped properties, cooperating with researchers worldwide.
The incubator Materials forms part of the Startup Consulting Network at University Bochum, the World Factory Startup Center, and we're promoting sciencepreneurs with innovations from material science.